Internet Society, ICANN, and APSIG, Asia Pacific School of Internet Governance. So I know a lot of you, and it was quite interesting to dance around. So thank you, Leonid, as well as Nixie, to have me here and to put my points, because collaboration is needed in better working of any technology and any services that is around. And here is my presentation.
The down one.
So as we have heard from Sanjeev Dai about how it started and how it has been operating, as from representing a user group, I use .np. I have my name registered, and I feel that it is very free and easy, and the process is simply very comfortable. It's simply you want to get your name registered, you can just apply and you get it. You have to put your citizenship. They do not allow generic names, so you have to be very careful about that, especially for companies. They just put in the registration and you have that. And a lot of the companies are using the .np, as the number suggests as well. So local identity and trust .np certainly gives out that the company is there locally there, so it is very comfortable to handle issues. As he said, he receives more calls than his business with .np. Community and cultural significance. .np has that image, and it has been carrying on it since 30 years. So opportunities for local businesses, since it's free. I'm quite amazed at how this business model has been going on. How he has been working on with this .np, that the way it is being done, it is being promoted in such a way. It is going on so well that the local education, the sector, different sectors use .np. Localization helps save time, money and resources, so that is one of the key points. The problems and challenges, just wanted to highlight these points. Domain abuse and cybersecurity, there is a bit of challenge with that, which every part of the world faces. And I think with better collaboration with the government, I think it can be sorted, and if funds are generated, certainly it will be able to prove itself in a more commercial and a more professional way. Though it is now also, it is very, very good, but still more prominent way. Concerns of infrastructure and technical challenges. So this has been there since new technologies are coming up and things are there. So we need to be prepared, because the more prepared we are, the more well we can handle future and policies. The thing about Nepal's .np is we don't have policies. It is gradually 30 years, and still there are very limited knowledge and regarding the policy and the work modality that has been developed by the company is quite efficient, and it has been rolling on. But now a time has come where the policy needs to be established, and more over a collaborative environment needs to be created so that the community can stand with it. Lack of awareness and capacity building. This is a sector where civil society has to step in, where we all need to collaborate and work towards better engagement, because as you have heard, multi-stakeholderism is the thing. From the other side, it is more efficient, and it is more way where we can create a better community. Government regulation, as I said, it's a challenge. All these years, 30 years, they have been operating it efficiently. So now I expect, working with their policies, the government can create, very nice policies so that things would help us to address more coming issues in future. Because AI is here, we have to understand IoT and AI. All these things need to be managed in a more proficient and a more clear way. So limited name option. So I see, I kind of like feel that coming down from internet society and working with ICANN, I believe that civil society has a more engaging role to play, especially with this community. We need to aware people, we need to advocate about digital rights, we need to promote the industry. So the collaboration is needed. The civil society has to step in to this technical field and collaborate with private sector as well as other people to secure the rights and to further build the policies. So, strengthen capacities of civil society. Nepal has different organizations there in Nepal. So we need to collaborate in creating collaboration and resilient in diversity and inclusive public trust and support. And it's all about how we create a better community. It's all about how we combine and the legacy that has been developed by Mr. Sanjeev Rajvandali here needs to further grow. Take it as an ideal scope and create better possibilities so that future can be written in a more proficient, secured manner. So way ahead. Better awareness, capacity building, especially we need our government side people. On the other side, if you look at the lower side economies, we need to educate. We need to educate about the developments. That's where we have to work on with different stakeholders. The concept of multi-stakeholder needs to be developed, and better policies, so that better policies can be developed to help promote better business opportunities, to secure better rights, better collaboration among different sectors, as I mentioned, and develop a multi-stakeholder community. So we probably work on this, and so that better policies can be integrated. As I have told you, there are different civil society organizations, and we need to have one voice to secure the rights of users and the rights of the people. So thank you for listening to me, and I hope you had a wonderful night yesterday, and thank you all.